Hello again, everyone, and welcome to another lesson. Look at these sentences. Yesterday, I went to the office at 8 pm. Second sentence. Yesterday, John left the office at 6 pm. Yesterday, I went to the office at 8 pm. Yesterday, John left the office at 6 pm. Now you tell me which one happened first. Yes, John left the office at 6 pm. Then I went to the office at 8 pm. Now look at this sentence. When I arrived at the office, John had left. Now, what is this? John, when I arrived at the office, John had left. Which sentence tense is this? I arrived. I is subject and arrived is second form of verb. So, which tense is this? Simple past tense. First sentence that we have is simple past tense. John had left. What it is? It is past perfect tense. But what is past perfect tense? Let's see. One action happened in the past, but before another action in the past. We use past perfect tense to talk about one action happened in the past but before another action in the past. So, I arrived at the office but before that John left the office. Look at this. I arrived at the office. Before that, John had left the office. Both of them are in the past. Both sentences are in the past. Now, look at this sentence. John had left the office before I arrived at the office. We use past perfect tense to say that one event happened before another event in the past. Now, look at another example. I was very tired because I hadn't slept well. I didn't sleep well. When I woke up, I was very tired. Both of them are in the past. The first sentence, I didn't sleep well. Second sentence, when I woke up, I was very tired. This is first sentence. This is what happened first, and this is second action that happened later. I was very tired because I hadn't slept well the night before. This is past perfect. I was very tired. This is past, simple past. And I hadn't slept. Hadn't slept, third form of verb. Subject plus had plus third form of verb. This is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. But how do you make the past perfect sentences? Look at the rule of past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus third form of verb. It is very easy. You need to subject like when I arrived. When I arrived, I is subject. At the office, John had left. You see, John is subject here. John is subject plus had plus left, third form of verb, which is third form of leave. Let's look at the another example. When the police arrived, the thief had escaped. The thief is subject. This is first action that happened. When the police arrived, this is second action. The thief is subject plus had plus escaped, which is the third form of escape. Now look at some negative sentences and rule of negative sentences. Negative sentences are past perfect tense. Subject plus had not or hadn't plus third form of verb. Now look at some examples. My dad Was really angry because I hadn't come home before 9. Before 9. How do you make? So here this is I subject plus had not plus come. Third form of verb. Come, came, come. So how do you make the yes or no questions? Very easy. Use the verb had at the beginning of the sentence. So had plus subject plus third form of verb plus question mark. Look at some examples. Had the thief escaped when the police arrived? Question mark. The answer is yes, he had, or no, he hadn't. Had plus subject. The thief is subject. Escaped is third form of verb. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please like, comment, share.